So in RDS, we have a different flavors, MySQL, MongoDB, Aurora DB, so many things are there. We'll discuss in that class. Anyway, so my screen and voice is clear. Good morning, all of you. Welcome back to AWS trainings. So can anyone please confirm I'm audible? My screen and voice is clear. Yeah, thank you. Okay, so let him come. Yeah, good morning, Uday and Ravi. So what topics we discussed yesterday? S3 bucket. Okay. Projector switch ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది ఆనవలే ట్రై చేసా ఆన్ అయింది థ్యాంక్స్ okay guys, so yesterday we discussed S3 bucket, right? So S3 is a flat file storage. Okay, S3 offers flat file storage. It's a unlimited storage. Okay, so S3 usually will work, upload the file and delete the file, download the file. Okay, so if you want to store any data inside cloud, our first preference is S3. Okay guys, S3. So let's suppose one customer is asking you to, I have a data in my laptop or I have a data in my traditional server. So I want to move the data into database. Okay, so what I'm trying to say, on premises I have a database. Okay, on premises I have a database. So the main using, just 5 minutes, after that we'll jump to on-prem. I have a data. So let's suppose the database, MySQL database. Okay, MySQL database running in my on-premises. So database contains what? Tables, right? Database contains tables. So my application is up and running. So in the 3-tier architecture, one tier is database tier, right? As we discussed. So my web server, application server, database server working in on-premises. Now client is looking to move my application database into cloud. So database is nothing but data, right? So we should move the data into cloud first. So, okay, MySQL already running in on-premises, right? So my choice is to move first on-premises to cloud. Okay, on-premises to cloud. So let's suppose this is cloud. Happen. Okay, so this is cloud. Our first choice is, okay, data is running in on-premises, right? Data is running in on-premises. There application server is there, web service running, everything is fine. But client is looking to move the data into cloud. On-premise is very difficult to handle. So I can create database service in AWS. We have a database service in AWS that is RDS. Simply, we can go with RDS. Okay. We can discuss in coming classes very briefly what is RDS. So like we can install the database on EC2 also. That is also one approach, but RDS is a managed service by AWS. This is the best approach. Instead of managing everything into the EC2, everything is managing by AWS, just we can connect and do the practice in RDS. That is RDS, Relational Database Service. So in RDS, we have a different flavors, MySQL, MongoDB, Aurora DB, so many things are there. We'll discuss in that class. Anyway, so these tables, I want to move on-premises to cloud. So every database has an endpoint. Like EC2 endpoint we have, right? IP. EC2 endpoint is IP. So same thing, database also we have an endpoint, username, password. Any server we have three credentials required: username, password, and IP. Same thing in the database also: endpoint, username, password. Okay, we have 3 points to connect. So we have a RDS. Sir, we have a RDS. Can we connect directly to the source on premises? Can we write the data directly on premises from the RDS? Answer is no. The reason is this server already working for one application, right? For example, Flipkart application is there, or IRCTC application is there. So IRCTC application already running on the on premises. So I want to move this data into cloud without any issue. Okay, without any breakdown. So if I directly connect from RDS to on-premises to move data from here to here, or one database to one database, we are not going to do it is not a best practice. Already yesterday we discussed, right? So directly source or directly target, we are not trying to sync, okay, without any help. So help is nothing but here we should create S3 bucket. Okay, we should create S3 bucket. So first connect your data and load it into S3 bucket. Okay, connect data and load it into S3 bucket. From the S3 bucket, you can read the data from the RDS. Okay, this is the actual process we are following in the real time. So the reason is, if you connect directly, if you do any mistake, enter data may here gone in the source. If any issue is there, the data is only effect in S3 bucket. There is no effect in on premises. So from S3 to on premises, we are not doing any testing. We are not doing any performance. Just get the data only. We run the get the data. Okay, get the data from here to here. But in RDS, we have to test so many things: how the query will work, how the data will react, everything. If you do directly connect on premises, in the testing time, maybe data may gone. Okay, the real time we are not doing. So in this time, S3 may help. Okay, in this time, S3 may help to get the data from on-prem to cloud. So first we just write the data from on-prem to, not move, copy. Okay, copy the data from here to here. If it is moved, there is no data here, right? We just take one clone or replicate. Okay, copy. So if we want to take the data, so now we can test from S3 to RDS. How RDS is working. If everything is fine, later, whatever the connection is there, just remove and they will provide a connection from here. Once done the operation, everything. Okay. Is it clear, everyone? The main, feature of S3 here. Here, main feature of S3 is to store the data. That's it. So in S3, we have so many modules. So no need to more focusing on all things. In the real time, 90% we are working on to store the data only S3. That's it. Okay. Even though we have a topic, so we will discuss today. But whatever we learn, that is more than enough for S3. No need to focus inside. So many things are there, right? No need to discuss. Even though today also I'm going to spend what are the things we left today, yesterday, we can cover it tomorrow and today. Okay, if we miss anything. So any doubts on this? Anyone online? Anyone has any doubts in this topic? No doubts, right? Okay. So now So today I'm going to cover 3 topics, okay, in the S3, very important topics after versioning. So in interviews, usually you will get a interview question storage classes. After that, I'm going to discuss public object something, storage classes. So we have a table in the S3 bucket itself. We can see and read at the table also. Anyway, storage classes. So in EC2, what are the pricing models? We already discussed, right? What are those? Oh yeah. What are the pricing models in EC2? Huh? On demand, yes, very good. Spot, next. Dedicated host, next. Reserved instance as per storage. Why we need to maintain, guys, all these classes? I mean EC2 classes. Can't we maintain one? Why different storage classes? I mean, sorry, why different tariffs of EC2 pricing models? Reserved, spot, on demand. So can we do it for one tariff for all? So the usage is different. How we can go with one tariff, right? If person come and reserve instance for three years, can we reserve for 2 years? Can we reserve for 2 years? Can we reserve for 2 years? 1 or 3? Okay, 1 or 3. 2, there is no option. Already we have seen, right? Okay. Okay, leave it. So based on the usage, different pricing models we have. Okay. Okay. What is capacity reservation? EC2 capacity reservation. What is the difference between reserved instance, reserved capacity instance? What happened, guys? You guys need interview questions. You guys need mock interviews. What is difference between reserved instance, capacity reservation of instance? There is a difference, right? Reserved instance, where reserved instance plus volume. Capacity reservation, only volume we are going to reserve, like storage. Later we can create instance from the storage. Okay. Leave it. S3 storage classes. Okay. So based on the usage, we just go with the different storage classes. Okay. So we have a different storage classes. First of all, why storage classes? We just discussed. In EC2 pricing models also we got an idea. Why different pricing models? Based on the usage, based on the reserve, based on the security. So if anyone asks, you are able to say that, okay, why pricing models don't see their face directly? You can say whatever. Yes, based on the security, based on the costing, based on the usage, based on the requirement. We have AWS is divided categories. You can say that, okay. Same thing in S3 also, based on the usage, based on the security, same thing. There is no change. But here names are different, that's it. Names are different. So in EC2, if you just go on the EC2 console, create an EC2 instance, what pricing is applied? If you just open console, create one EC2 mission, what pricing may apply? Which pricing? On demand. Very good. See, I don't have any plans. There is no upfront fee. Just log in and create instance. Which tariff will apply? On demand, right? On demand. The name itself, I need instance now. I need instance now. I need instance tomorrow. So for tomorrow, are you going to create now? It's a planning. It's a planning, right? Tomorrow I need instance. So one day reserve, there is no option. I need an instance after 1 year. I need an instance for 1 year. There may be a plans, right? We'll no need to go with on demand. So I need instance for 1 year. If you create now, the tariff may apply for 1 year. That is not at all good practice. You go with reserved instance for 1 year. You will get 72% discount on demand, right? So we have given table and we have discussed everything also. Just go with that previous classes, maybe you will get it. Same thing in the storage classes also, different tariffs are there. Okay, so I want to store data now. I want to store the data now S3 bucket. So yesterday we have already uploaded some file, right? That is default. That is default. I haven't selected any storage class type, right? Simply I have just upload the file. So this storage classes is nothing but frequent use. Frequent use is nothing but you can upload the file, you can download the file, you can delete the file. There is no waiting time. There is no waiting time. What I'm trying to say here, just take one S3 bucket. This is one S3 bucket. So now I have a file in my local laptop. I have a file in my local laptop. So just if you can, okay, if you can upload the file now, create a bucket, upload the file now, and immediately you can download the file. Immediately you can download the file. So this is called frequent use. This is called frequent use. This is called frequent use. Upload and download. Okay. Upload and download. Upload and download. So immediately upload, immediately download. So this is comes under frequent use. Frequent use, right? So this is called standard class. So standard class. If you just create a bucket and upload a file, it comes under standard. Frequent standard. Okay. So is there any waiting period required for this? So no waiting period. No waiting period. No upfront fees, right? No upfront fee, right? Same EC2 pricing models also. If you can go and create an EC2 and on demand, no need to pay any upfront fees, right? Before, no need to pay. Just use and pay. Pay as you go. No upfront fees. So clear what is standard frequent? So, and one more good thing is here. One more good thing is here. Aged greater than or equal to 3. What is aged greater than or equal to 3? Means AZ greater than or equal to 3. AZ is nothing but what? Availability zones. How many availability zones we have? 3. If you create a one file in AWS, Mumbai region or any region, so they're going to maintain this file, the backend 3 availability zones. Sir, we haven't select any availability zone. We have select only region, right? While creating the bucket. Sir, bucket is global level. Sorry, S3 is global level. Bucket is region level, you are saying. Then why availability zones here? You are able to select only region, right? The backend, the data is going to store in availability zones. That is invisible. Okay, how they are going to maintain your data? 3 availability zones, 3 copies. The reason is why? Why they need to maintain each copy for each availability zone? Disaster recovery. Right or not? Disaster recovery. If something is wrong, something is went wrong, anything in the any availability zone, whatever issue it is, so you will get high availability from other availability zones. Is it clear? Everyone, is it clear? Any doubts? So we are not going to maintain this availability zones greater than or equal to 3. That is maintained by AWS. We are able to select only region, right? Clear? Any doubts? Okay. Next point. Infrequent storage service. Infrequent storage. So infrequent standard storage. Infrequent standard storage. So the name itself, infrequent, what it is? Infrequent means what? So there is a data. We are not maintaining frequently. We are not maintaining frequently. Just upload the file. That's it. We are not going to do anything every day. It's not frequent. So for that, there is a different tariff. So if you upload a file, if you download a file, some action is going on the backend of AWS, right? So every time if you're doing like that, the tariff may different. No, upload it, but we are not doing anything in that. The tariff may different. Infrequent use. I'm not using infrequently. I'm not using frequently. So that is comes under infrequent use. Is it clear? So the only difference is we have to maintain 30 days waiting period. 30 days waiting period. Upfront fees apply. Same. Availability zones greater than or equal to 3. Okay. Availability zones greater than or equal to 3. Okay, guys. So the reason is if you upload a file, okay, if you upload a file, you have to wait 30 days at least, then access your file. This is the meaning. This is comes under infrequent use. Is it clear? Okay, next. Glacier. Glacier storage, very important question in interviews also. What is glacier? No. What is the meaning of glacier? Huh? Yes, ice, right? So in the glacier, just store it in S3 bucket. Just store it in S3 bucket like infrequent. Okay. Infrequent waiting period is 30 days, right? In the glacier waiting period is 90 days. 90 days. We should wait after upload the file at least 90 days. Then tariff apply for like 90 days. It's not like frequent use tariff. Okay. I'll just discuss. Don't worry. Glacier storage should wait for 90 days. If you are waiting for 90 days, we are saying before, right? Cloud. So I'm uploading the file, but there is no use with the file at least 90 days. So they should maintain accordingly. So upfront fees apply, right? Planning. We have a planning, right? 90 days. So upfront fees. Upfront apply. Next. Same. AZ greater than or equal to 3 here also. AZ greater than or equal to 3. Next. Deep glacier. Deep glacier. We should wait for 120 days. I think 180 days. 180 days. Okay. Upfront, everything is same. Okay. So I can discuss some application now. So we have a intelligent tiering standard IA tier 2 type. Additional 2 is there. but those are not maintaining greater than or equal to 3 availability zones, only 1 or 2. So we are not going to prefer those type of classes. Okay. Yeah. In AWS also saying it's not recommended to pick those different 2 other storage classes. Okay. Just deprecated. Just focus on these 4 only. And one more is there, intelligent tier. I will tell that also. Intelligent tier storage class. Intelligent tier storage class. File will move automatically. File will move automatically as per the waiting period. Different storage classes automatically as per the period. So guys, so now we can discuss one by one. Okay, so first, frequent use, right? If I upload the file, the data, for example, 1 KB, 1 KB, $1. Okay, 1 KB, $1 is applied. It's not like that. I can show you in the chart calculator also. You can understand each service, how much price is applied for the all AWS services. Okay, I can show that chart also, calculator, AWS calculator service we have. So from that, we can calculate everything. I will show you in the end of the sessions. Okay, what price and everything. Anyway, so let's suppose in frequent use, 1 KB is $1. Let's assume the price. So storage classes is for price effective, right? EC2 pricing models also price effective, right? So why I need to pay for on-demand price if I wait for 1 year? So like that. So different categories, different pricings, different pricings. Now, frequent use, 1 KB for $1. So infrequent standard classes, what would be the price? Less or more? Huh? What would be the price? Less or more? 1 KB per $1 or less? Very good. Less. This is default. Frequent use is a default. Infrequent, I'm not using the file. Why I need to pay more amount? Right or not? Right or not what I'm trying to say? I'm not using my file. I have uploaded, but I'm using file every minute. Some action is going on the backend, is right or not? So in this case, infrequent, the size, 1 KB. So less than $1. Isn't it? Okay. Next, in Glacier. What about here? So instead of that, I will do one thing. So I'll just mark it as a here. Okay. What about here in Glacier? So after uploading the file, 90 days, I'm not doing anything with that file. What would be the price? Less than, right? So let's suppose in second infrequent standard class, if it is a $0.5 here, $0.2 per 1 KB. So here, very less, right? $0.1. 1 KB. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yeah. Okay. Anyone has any doubts? Okay, sir, I have selected my storage class is infrequent while upload the file. What is the condition infrequent storage? We should wait 30 days, right? Minimum. We should wait. This is minimum period, guys, not maximum, minimum period. If you select infrequent storage, after upload the file, if you select infrequent storage, so we should wait 30 days to apply the discount on your tariff, right? Right or not? No. Yes, I have selected infrequent storage. I have selected infrequent storage, but immediately I got a requirement after 2 days to access the data. So even we can easily access anytime, any data. Even if you select infrequent, glacier, deep archival, whatever. This is for only pricing. If you upload the file in infrequent storage class, it doesn't mean you are unable to access the data for till 30 days. It's not like that you can access, but tariff will apply accordingly. Okay, so I have uploaded a file now to select infrequent storage class. Condition is should wait 30 days, right? But condition is for wait for 30 days, right? So I haven't wait for 30 days. After 2 days, I use that file. So in that condition, the pricing will apply infrequent first time, right? Once you select the infrequent storage class, and again, if you are using after 2 days only, you are not waiting for 30 days. In that time, you are going to pay frequent tariff, particular size. For example, infrequent, you have selected 1 GB data, 1 GB data. So you have uploaded 10 files. Each file is 1 GB. Okay, so 10 GB, the data price is calculated for infrequent base. It's apply for you after 30 days. But you have used one file, 1 GB after 2 days. So for particular file, you should pay frequent. Is it clear? So don't think I'm unable. So don't think AWS provide restrictions to download the file. There is no restrictions. Even select Glacier, even select Deep Glacier, whatever. But pricing may different. I have selected Deep Glacier. I should wait at least 180 days, right? But after 2 days, I have accessed the file. No issue. You should pay already Deep Glacier price. And whatever file you have access immediately, you should pay that file frequent payer. That's it. Now questions. Yes. Why are you waiting for this period, right? This is the question. So guys, I have a data. I'm not going with this data immediately. For example, if you can go in college, hospitals, so they're going to maintain the data. Recent one is top, right? If you can go and ask bill in medical shops, hospital medical shops, they will give immediately. If you can go and hospital, if you ask medical bill for last 6 years, are they maintain top priority? No. So I don't no need to use with the data. So instead of selecting storage class, I'm going to select Deep Glacier and store my data into that class. For current year 2023, right? 2023, I should maintain in frequent use. 2020, 2019, 2018, no one can come and ask, right? In that case, I should maintain this data, move into Deep Glacier. I'm not use when I can use that data if someone will come and ask the bill. But last 4 years, anyone will come to ask. It's a very rare case, right? It's a very rare case. Why I need to maintain top priority for my last 4 years data? No, right? So I should move the last 4 years data into Deep Glacier. I should maintain current year data into the frequent use. Is it clear? Is it clear or not? Everyone, any doubts? This is the story about storage classes. If someone will ask, so not someone, interviewer will ask, what are the storage classes we have? What is the main use? We have a majorly 4 storage classes: frequent, infrequent, glacier, Deep Glacier. Frequent, we can use the file immediately. So in the frequent use, the tariff may different. Infrequent, we should maintain 30 days. Accordingly, tariff may different. Glacier also we should maintain 90 days. So in the Glacier, the one more advantage is the data will compress. Data will compress. When I say data will compress, definitely price also reduce, right? 10 GB data is compressed into, 5 GB. If you select Glacier, definitely price will apply as per the size only, right? It's an advantage in the Deep Glacier and Glacier. Okay, all storage will get availability zone greater than or equal to 3. That is maintained by AWS. If one zone made down, will get data from other 2 zones. You don't have any issue. Even disaster recovery also. Your data always safe. Is it clear? Anyone has any doubts? Yes, Tulsiram. So no questions. If you don't have any questions, I will move to other topic. In at any time, the data will be back up in yes, but you won't see that. Why? You have selected only region, right? Bucket selected in region. The data is coming from which availability zone? It's not your job. We don't know. That is managed by AWS. Upfront is nothing but what, guys? If you can go and see one flat for rent, you should maintain two months rent advance, right? That is upfront. That is upfront. Advance. Okay, advance. I think you guys are all staying hostels, right? I think you already paid upfront fee, right? Right? So why they are asking you to say at least 2 months before? Why? Why? You have to say some proper plan to them to allocate your flat to others, right or not? So no, immediately I'll go, even though you should pay 2 months. It's a on demand, which you have to pay more on demand or not. Here also, in your point of view, just I inform to my owner, I'll just move now. Even though he asks us to pay 2 months advance. I mean 2 months. So I clearly said, right? You should inform 2 months before. Even though 1 month, you should pay for 2 months. The reason is he should give to plant others. It's a we are intimating to your owner. Same thing we are intimating to AWS providers. I'm not going to use this data now. You can work your other works. I'm just use after 30 days. I'll use after 90 days. I'll use after 120 days. No, I'll just upload the file now. I need immediately. Then full focus on infrequent, right? So they are doing some activity your backend to give your file back immediately. For that price may different. Why the data will be compressed in Glacier? That is a good thing of Glacier. Goodness of Glacier. How can I say? The reason is why Glacier is compressed format. They are giving little advantage. Are you going to upload 10 GB file? That is not at all your use. Go with Glacier, even though you will get less discount, even though data also compressed format. So if you are maintaining some data, you can compress into less size, right? In your laptop. Why you are going to less size into in your laptop? To save your memory. If you do some work, we have so many options to compress the data, right? To save your drive. Right? What I'm trying to say? Same thing here also. Any doubts on storage classes? I will provide you one table. S3 I have prepared entire material. I will provide you tomorrow morning or today evening. So everything will be there in that. Everything was there in that. Storage classes. If I will not cover so few topics. Those are also there in that. You can easily understand after seeing these topics from this 2 days knowledge. Even though if I'll not cover, if you'll not cover a few things, even though you can ask the question also, no issue. But our first priority is important things. Then you can move cover. So how you can prepare? Don't sit with one service 1 month. When I say important, you should just spend accordingly. Instead of sit one service 100%, you can cover 50 or 30, 40% for all services. The reason is in interviews, no one can ask only questions from S3, right? They can cover all the areas. May the chance you will get the questions from the 30%, 40% what you covered area. Probability is more if you cover all services. If you stick on S3, 100% may you will answer only one question if they will ask for S3, right? So this is no audio now. No, my end is clear. Uday, please check your end. What about others? Audio is clear, right? Uday, can you please check your end? I think. Is it clear, everyone? Anyone has any doubts? Shall I move other topic? I will show in the lab also how we can do it. This one. Okay. Now, I'll just log in my account. So I'm going to show you two labs today. Okay. Yes, 3. So I have created one bucket. I have uploaded one file. So this is standard class, right? How to move it from the standard to different? If you can click, go to actions. We have a different storage classes. Standard, IA, Glacier, and DParquet. So if you can say here, one zone IA, availability zone only one. So it's not preferable. Should maintain 3 availability zones. They are maintaining only one availability zone, say random. If the same availability zone made down, you won't get your data. Am I clear? Next. So just go through this table, you can understand. Okay. So if I want to change standard infrequent, so minimum storage duration is 30 days. So I'll just save changes. So close standard IA, upload standard IA immediately. But if I download file now, pricing will apply standard frequent. I will download this file after 30 days to apply the standard IA tariff. Is it clear? If I download now, you have just created standard IA now, but you are accessing file now. No, you should maintain 30 days to get that discount. Same thing. Go to actions, edit storage class, whatever. So 190 days, glitch DParquet. Close deep glacier archive. No, you should maintain 180 days at least. Is it clear, everyone? So we can do the lab same to changing the storage classes. That's it. Nothing will be able to do in that. Is there any doubts? No, right? Okay. Next, the important topic. It's not important topic, just I'm saying. I'm creating one more bucket. So as of now, we have an enable public access, right? All are block. So I'm going to create one more bucket, public S3 access. Okay. We'll see the bucket will be there or not the same name. So at this time, if you are able to enable public access, definitely we should enable ACL. ACL, access control list. You are enabling means the ACL will be, I will show you in that. So just, recommended is nothing but bucket should be private, right? But we are wantedly doing public. In the always real time 90% we are not enabling public. Few tasks are there, different projects, few tasks we are going to enable public. Okay. So yesterday we discussed private, right? Now we are going to discuss public, how it will work. So I just enable ACL. Just wait, please. Hello. Okay, 2 minutes. వెహికల్ వచ్చిందంట బస్ వెయిట్ చేయమని చెప్పాను ఓకే ఓకే గైస్ సో ఓకే సారీ గైస్ సో నౌ block all public access. So if you're doing this lab, what I'm going to do now, I'll just upload the one file. I'm going to give access to others. For that, definitely you should enable your bucket. Others accessing means you should enable it, right? Public. It's not only you are accessing your object. You are going to give public to all. If you share that URL, others going to access your S3. Is it clear? Okay. So I should enable ACL also. For that, I'll just block all publics uncheck, means we are going to public. If you can see, turning off block all public access might result in this bucket and objects within becoming a public. Is it clear? Yes, I need bucket versioning. Disable, enable, your wish. Bucket versioning only enable for artifacts. That is codes, applications, okay, programs. If any things we want to maintain in S3 bucket, separately we should create S3 bucket for that. Separately, not for main data. So you have a two tasks. You should maintain the data, main data. For that, you should create one bucket. And one bucket is for artifacts. Artifacts is nothing but related utilities, your codes, applications. Those are put in your S3 bucket, not in your local laptops. Is it clear? Okay. You will get clarity in coming classes. Don't worry. The Lambda we can discuss at that time. We will get clarity. So bucket disable. I'm not going to host any applications, codes, programs, right? So disable it. Price more. Encryptions. So in coming class, one more security service, KMS. Once we discuss KMS, I will one more time we'll discuss S3 bucket how we can apply KMS encryption, and EBS also we have an option how to enable encryption. So we can cover two services after done the KMS dependencies. Okay. Without covering KMS, if I show now, you may not understand. We have one more service, KMS, key management service. Once done the topic, I will take just 15 minutes to how to enable here also. Okay. Those are dependencies, guys. Those are dependencies. Okay, public S3 access. Luckily, no one is created this bucket. Okay. So I have enabled my bucket, right? So I'll just download one image. Okay. So I'm going to download. I have downloaded, right? So what I'm going to do, go to your public bucket. So my lab is to, I have uploaded one content, share that URL to others. We'll see are they access or not. Okay. So I'll just upload the same file, right? Add file. I have downloaded just cat now, right? Cat puppy, open, uploaded. Okay. So this is your object, right? This is your object. If you can go inside, there is an object URL. If you can share with others, they are also able to access your image. I mean your content. So access denied. Sir, my bucket is public, right? Why access denied? The reason is, where is my S3? Okay. So the reason is, here two things we should understand. Bucket already public, right? We should make object also public. Okay. Only bucket public is not sufficient. We should enable object also. In that case, in your bucket, maybe 10 objects are there, but you are going to give only 2 objects for public, not 10. If there is no restrictions in the object level, even though in your bucket 10 objects are there, if you want to give 2 also, but they are able to see remaining 8 also. If there is no restriction in object level. Yes, restriction in bucket level, even though we have to mention which object need to public. Okay. Where should I check? See, go here. This is my object, right? Click on that, go to actions. There is a make public using ACL. This option enable after enable ACL while creating the bucket. Okay. See, make public. When public read access enable and not blocked by block public access setting, anyone in the world can access this specified object. So bucket we made a public. Now we're going to do object. Okay. Now object is uploaded. Object is enabled. Let's suppose I just S3 welcome something is there, right? Okay, I upload second object also. Okay, so now the same thing. Leave it for this one for time being. I have enabled ACL for this also, right? Object ACL. So if you just refresh, so I'm able to use. Okay. You should have understand one thing here. Sorry. Access it you also. Okay. You should have understand here one thing. So I'll just share my object to public, right? So HTTPS. By default, S3 is giving HTTPS secure. Okay. Is it clear? Yeah. Any doubts? Okay. So we have one more object, right? S3 welcome.text. Again, I'll just give this access to you also. Will it work? Not. So my bucket is public. I have two objects. I want to give only one object access to others. So you should enable ACL, make a public for object. This object I'm not going to give public. So don't enable ACL. I mean public. Is it clear, everyone? Anyone has any doubt? Anyone has any doubt? No, right? Okay. So simple, guys. Click on that object. See, go. This is the object, right? Click on that object. Go to actions. Come down. Make a public using ACL. Make a public using ACL. Make it and access it. Is it clear? Everyone? Anyone has any doubts? Okay. So one more good thing is there in the S3 bucket. So we can run the query also. We can run the query directly from the S3. Anyone from database background here? Anyone? No one? Online? Anyone from? How to disable public? You just not enable it in the object. We can go in the bucket settings. I will show you. Wait. Anyone from database? I am from. Okay. Uma. So usually you are writing the queries from the database, right? If you upload one table here, go with the table. Yes, we can do the restrictions also. Okay, we can, provide the restrictions to access only few people. That is comes under policies. IAM we can discuss, we can understand. Okay. Okay. So I will upload file and I can run the query from here also. I think no one is from database students here. Okay, Uma, what you can do, upload a sample table here. Click on the table, go to actions, query with S3 select. If you select which format file you have uploaded table and write query here. Select star from S3 object as automatically query is written by AWS. You can change modification. Limit is not 510. I'm able to see 10 rows. No 10. I'm able to see 20 rows. No 5. Keep as run SQL query. See, error. The reason it's not a table, it's an image. It's an image, right? It's not a table. What you can do, upload a one table, go to simply Google CSV format table. What is CSV, you know? Sample in a CSV table. Otherwise, you can create an Excel, can upload it into that. How to create a table? I'm looking for existing table. See any download option? Very good. So downloaded. Very good. So I'll just go and upload this table. So that is done. Okay. Public access, you guys are understand, right? There is no doubt on that, right? Okay. So I'm going to upload a file. Just now downloaded, right? This one. Open, upload, uploaded. So this is the format, CSV format. So now select the whatever table you have uploaded now. Go to actions, query with S3 select, which format it is, CSV. So go to here, select star from S3 object S. So whatever object you have uploaded, select from that object to limit 5. Means I'm able to see 5 rows. This query is pull 5 rows. See, this is the query usually we write to. I think Uma can understand easily. If I change 10, I'm able to see 10 rows. So from S3, we can run the queries also. Note down, this is very important point. If you are from database background, it's very helpful for you. Very helpful for you. Is it clear, everyone? The size 566 bytes, 10 columns. Select a star from S3 object S. Okay, we can do it like that also by using S3. So these are advanced features for S3, I'm saying, but majorly S3 is for store the data. Finally, S3 is store the data. So many things are there in that. No need to go in that all levels. You can easily understand once you are good in the store, all options in the S3, what are the things will come recent. Oh, in future also you can easily understand. Okay. Yes. So Uma, try with this also. Okay. I think you are from database background, right? It's very nice. Is it clear, everyone? How to run the query, how to make a public object. Is it clear? Any doubts? Storage classes selections, versionings. Is it clear? Now, one more point, one more important point. Sir, I want to give all objects to public, not for single. You are doing single, right? So I have one website is running somewhere. I want to host that website from S3. You should have understand. I'm not writing any application. My S3 is not writing any application. S3 is take the redirecting option only. Take the redirecting option. So one website is running nareshit.com. Okay. I will access the nareshit.com website. I can redirect into S3 if required. Redirect into S3. Why? So already files are running some server, right? Why this option? Additional feature for S3. If you want to host that website through S3, you can do it. So let's suppose how you can do it. S3 static website hosting. I'm going to discuss now. S3 static, not dynamic. Okay. Static website hosting. Static S3 website hosting. Okay. How it will work. So till now, if you want to give public, we can give the object, right? By enabling object. When I say website, the backend, so many files are running. The backend, so many files will run. How we can do it? By using website hosting. By using website hosting. So if you can go the properties, we have an option static website hosting under properties. Okay, we done bucket versioning, right? So I'll just discuss static website. Okay, static website, one more module. So let's suppose I'll just go to Google, download sample HTML website. So go with free CC, free CSS. This website only giving the websites free of cost. So one website, this is a website template. Okay. For example, I'm taking Okay, I'm taking cars. Free CSS. If you want to use this template, you can use it for any website. This is the like promotion kind of things. So now the if you can go the website live demo. So like this, it will work. Like this, it will work. If you want to host any promotion in your brands, like you are from, bikes showrooms, car showrooms. If you want to if you want to own it, you just go with this site. You can register. They will support you to for how they are, giving these features, page, front end, and everything they is taking care. Okay. This is a process. Now I want to host this website by using S3. By using S3. So let's go back. Downloaded files. Downloaded dependencies. One website is running the backend, only one file will work. Only one file will work. No. To index, to heading, to color, so many files will work. Download it. Go to download options. This is the downloader, right? What you can do, this is in zip format. Okay, why zip format? Done Maven? DevOps Maven done? What is Maven? Build tool. Why we need to build? Why we need to build? Why we need to packaging? If you download the file, which format you are getting, guys? It's a packaging format. If you open that package, so many files are there. If there is no package format, I will show you. So I'm able to see only one file right now, one zip file. Compress to extract all. I'm just opening. Extract. Okay, extract. This is the, I have extracted now. If you can go downloads, this is extracted, okay? The same folder. If you click on this, these many files. If you click on this, these many files. If you click on this, these many files. So to run one website, the backend, these many files are required. Images. This is comes under images. New car models. This is the image. See, these images are placed in the website. These are combine all these things. So if you say to customer like us, instead of downloading one file, website is ask us to download all dependencies one. How difficult it is? One zip format contains hundreds of files. If there is no packaging option, we need to download. If you want to download website, you need to download 1,000 downloads dependencies. If I want to download website, welcome hero, welcome banner, I need to select welcome banner. I need to select color. I need to select all our dependencies, right? So if there is a Maven build tool, packaging all are in one format, I mean zip format, you can download it. You can extract into your system, right or not? One click, we are able to download all things or not. It's a backend packaging the application. Packaging the application, okay? Anyway, I'm not in Maven now. So go back. Okay, this is the site I have downloaded, right? Extracted. I need to upload all in S3 bucket. All in S3 bucket. So how to do that? Go to your S3 bucket simply. Okay, go to your S3 bucket. Bucket should be public to do this static website hosting task. Okay. Okay. So I'll just remove all those things. Sir, why we are learning static website hosting? I'm not saying this is important. First of all, you should have understand the features in S3, right? Yes, in real time, closely we are working to store the data, get the data, access the data. But we should have understand, right? If someone will ask, how to, maybe in interest also ask how to, perform the static website hosting in S3. this is not important. My SAR is not saying, it's not like that, right? This is important. We can do how to do that. You can have to say private. We can discuss. We have to discuss public options also, right? These are public options. Image URL sharing, website URL sharing. This has comes under public. Anyway, so I'm going to upload my all website dependencies. First, we have two options: add files, add folders. Folders we can store, upload into folders. Files we can upload in upload files. Add files. This is the site, right? I have extracted. Click on that. So I have only two files, right? Remaining all folders, right? Control C. Otherwise, you can extract it. I have uploaded, right? Now, add folder. Click on assets. These many folders, right? If you miss something, you are unable to access 100%. Multiple folders is not selecting. Oh my God. Let me go some back. Wait, guys. I'll just zoom it. Okay, this is the website. Inside I have folder. Inside two files I have uploaded, right? I'll upload this directly asset. We can see it's possible or not. Add folder. This is the file, right? Assets folder, right? Just go a little back. Okay, I'll try to upload entire folders. See, so many is downloaded the back. But option we can go with the folder upload or file upload. I just downloaded, if you can see here, two files, one folder. I have uploaded two files separately. I have given enter folder one time. Otherwise, go here, give this folder separately, this folder separately. Why we need to do that? Okay, done. I have uploaded all dependencies for my how the website is running the backend. Okay, so next upload. It will take time. 3.3 MB, right? 60 files. 60 files. Yes, Abhinand. In real time, we cannot use 100%. We cannot use this. Making public. If there is a option will come from the public, we are not encouraging in that. Right? Don't do that in the real time. Always bucket should be private. But few projects are there. Same like that. Hosting the applications, public. Those may will work. So if you're uploading the files, if you're uploading all the things correct manner, it will work. Otherwise, you will get, it's not, you are not getting a website in proper manner. In place of car, you will get tractor. Okay, we can see. Guys, don't miss even one class. Very, very important class, IAM. Tomorrow I'm going to start IAM. It's very important. Without IAM, there is no AWS even single role. Close it. Okay, guys, I have uploaded assets folder also. I have uploaded images also. I mean, files also. Now I should enable static website hosting. So, see, index.html automatically taking that. Save changes. Static websites always run index.html only. You can give anything, at least one character they are asking. If you can come now here, static website hosting there in that properties, you should come last. If you can see, website is created automatically. Will it work now? If I can access, will it work or not? 403 forbidden access denied. Why? Why? Very good. We should make objects also public. Okay. Actions. Make public using. Make public. Clear? Now, see, same website, same car, same BMW. See, try with you guys from your end also. These are options. Sir, when we are using, these are options. Try with you. Try with this guys. Not secure, HTTP, see. So, if you want to maintain secure, if you require, you can take one car. Abhinandan, which car you need? Red, white, black, maroon. Oh, Uma, you are not understanding the concept, but you are understanding the car. Huh? Most expensive one, yes. You can easily buy it, yeah. You will get a good job. If you get a good job in US, like kind of countries, you will buy a car definitely. But you won't, you know, right? You will enjoy the life, but you won't earn anything if you are in the US. If you can come, same like that. Okay, guys. Anyway, simple guys. Nothing is there. See what I'm trying to say here. I think it will take one more day for S3. Looks like tomorrow also going to continue S3. Okay. Go to properties. Enable S3 website hosting. I'm just disabling. Save changes. Go to properties. Edit. Enable. So just save changes. That's it. Here, give something, anything here. Test also we can give it. Save changes. I haven't tried with test. You can try it. I don't know it will work or not. Okay. For not been run. So try with this index.html only name. They are giving the shadow in the index.html. So download the folders and extract it. Once downloaded the entirely, you are able to see here. Okay, in the zip format. Click on that. Extract all. You can check it. You can check it. Is it clear, everyone? Just upload it. That's it. Okay. Very good. It's showing not secure. How we can make it secure? Anyone? We should register your domain name first. You can map it this URL to your domain name. Register your domain name in AWS Certificate Manager. You will get a HTTPS security. I will show you in the lab. Don't worry. One class also there. Don't worry. So you should have understand all URLs. Keep in your mind. You will get LB URL, ELB URL. You will get EC2 IP. You will get S3 endpoints. These are we can configure into Route 53 class. Okay. Maybe at that time I won't get time to see all the URLs. I can show you ELB URL or S3 URL or EC2. I mean, I will show you EC2 LB. Those are important, right? So for that, you guys should create one domain name. You should create one domain. It will 250 rupees you have to spend. 250 or 300 or 500. I have registered already. So go to GoDaddy. So start free, search domains. Search domains, whatever, something.com. Don't go with .com, sir. It's price. .in. So 949. So .org, not .co.uk. He'll just go like this way. All are expensive. Huh? Then go to your daddy and ask to create GoDaddy. Okay. Oh, 39 rupees, guys. .co.in. Immediately register. 39. Even I also spent 500 rupees for this. Okay, like that you can register. Get start now. Continue. You know, after go inside, the price may increase. So many things are added. GST, EST. Okay. So you can just continue cart. You will give your card details. Created one website with you. With this website, we can change the records of Route 53. We can map it. There will be a class. See, 1337. So don't hurry. Change to 1 year. Even the 499. See, marketing showing 39. Immediately you are going inside 499. Marketing. Okay. Is it clear? So purchase one domain name. Register it, guys. If you can go one movie, you have to spend 500 at least. At least. So think like I have seen one GoDaddy movie. That's it. Is it clear, everyone? Yeah. You can register domain name. You can map it this domain name with your S3 whatever S3 URL will get. You can access with your domain name with that S3 URL. It's a configuration. So we discuss in DNS, right? How the IP we can change it into name. In the DNS, we can give our IP as a target, source as a provided website name. If people can access your website name, the target may be IP, right? It is redirecting to your EC2 instance. This is the clarity. You will get in Route 53 class very clear. Is it clear? Any doubts? Anyone has? Sir, it's better to create our own website, sir, with HTML. Yes, you can create it. Okay. Is it possible? If it is not possible, how the websites are created? It's possible. Uma, it's possible. But there is a class is going on HTML class, you know. So you can go and join that class. You can understand how to create HTML websites. We are here to learn AWS. Okay. If HTML application is not running in the cloud, we have to take care. Okay. Guys, it's very easy to create HTML applications, you know. 1 week is enough to understand HTML, to write HTML applications. Dynamic applications is very difficult. Yes, you need domain. That's what I'll show you the story, everything to create domain name. Okay. Yes. And we have a 11 minutes time. Just I'll go through properties. So bucket versioning we have done, right? Next, tags is the names, default encryption. So bucket automatically encrypted by default. AWS is encrypted. No, I need to encrypt it with my key. That is comes under KMS story. Okay, just remind me at the time if I miss. Okay. Next, intelligent tiering. What it is, guys? Just now we discuss. What is intelligent tiering? In the storage classes, I have written one point. We can see. File will move automatically into storage classes as per the period. If you select the storage classes for this bucket, if you upload a one file, it will work till 30 days as a frequent. After that, it will move to infrequent. After that, it will move to glacier. After that, it will move to deep glacier. It is not at all recommended. If you enable it, if you upload any file, it's moving automatically. Right? It's moving automatically. But this is the best as per your requirement. Just now I discussed hospital requirement, the files and something. They can go with this. Okay. If the data is there, bulk data, TBs of data, don't go with, like we can go with this bulk data. But instead of going with intelligent tiering, you just create manually what storage is required. You cannot control this intelligent tiering at all. This is automation process. Once file is uploaded, it will move automatically after one period is coming. It's gone. Okay. This is the option. Server access log. So whatever activities you are going to perform in the S3 bucket, the backend logs will generate. Okay. Logs is nothing but what? If you have a Gmail, right? You have mails, right? You can consider those are logs. What's going on in your Gmail? You're getting spam mails, whatever outbox mails, junk box. These are intimations to you. These are logs. Basically the backend logs. So server access log. If you can edit, enable, give the bucket name here, all activities is going to store in your bucket. All right. I have created S3 static website hosting. These are logs stored into your this bucket. This is access logs. No need to show everything. It's a simple things only. You just do the practice if you have any interest. These options only. Like Facebook kind of things only, guys. CloudTrail. I need to discuss in the CloudTrail CloudWatch. At that time, you will get clarity. Event notification related to SNS. I will discuss one notification service, simple notification service, or SES or SAS. At that time, I should configure event notification with S3 object. Okay, that is also dependency. Event bridge also comes under that. Object lock. If you can see, object lock always disable, guys. If you need to enable, read this sentence. No need to explain from me. Amazon S3 currently does not support enabling object lock after bucket has created. To enable object lock for the bucket, contact customer support. So default object lock is not provided. Is it clear? Request based, not request. Static website hosting we have done. Okay, these are the steps comes under properties. So we need to discuss encryption, CloudTrail, event notification. These are dependencies for other services. Okay, first we can complete other services. We can come here and complete this 3 is for just 15 minutes. Okay, once done S3, I will discuss SNS for 5 minutes or 10 minutes class. We can easily understand how to create SNS topic. We can link SNS topic with these 3 services. We will get a trigger. If an object is uploaded, we will get a notification. That is the automation process we can learn. Next. Management. I will come to metrics is nothing but what? Size of the bucket, number of objects, no data as of now. So basic, explore the metrics of user request a data transfer acted within your bucket. Metrics also available in Amazon CloudWatch. So in the CloudWatch, I will show you very clearly how to see the data metrics. Okay, in EC2, how to see the EC2 utilization percentage, load and everything we can see in the CloudWatch. These are comes under metrics, comes under management. So tomorrow I need to discuss life cycle rules, replication rules, very important. Okay, these 3 I will discuss tomorrow. Next, access point not required. This is cover IAM. IAM. After done the IAM, I'll one more time I'm going to show you S3 services all. What is the interlink between IAM and S3? IAM is nothing but access. So just now one friend asked, our friend is asked how to give the access for only restricted people. That is, first we should understand IAM policies, how we can create IAM policy. That policy we should attach to S3 bucket. Then as per the policy, S3 is going to access. So what I'm going to discuss, these are all real-time environment only, not for theoretical. Okay. So for this point of view, S3 is clear. Whatever lifecycle manager, these are comes under little advanced services. Tomorrow I'm going to spend these 3 services, very easy services. There is no any rocket science in that. By seeing, you can easily understand. We don't have much time to cover today. And today I just gone through properties and objects, metrics. So tomorrow I'm going to discuss management and permission levels. Just complete 5-6 blocks. Is it clear, everyone? Any doubts? Okay, sir, one doubt. Please one time tell about dynamic and static. Very simple thing. Static always website always save. Dynamic, as per your inputs, it will change. As per inputs, it will change the website. Okay. For example, see, this is Flipkart. You are going right. This is static for everyone. It's not dynamic. It's a static for everyone, right? If you go furniture, this is static for everyone. Yes, static for everyone. If you click on this, okay, not like if you apply some story here, minimum to maximum, one query will run, right? The backend, I need the cost 1500 to 2500. It will not support static website. The request will go to your dynamic application, what you write in the code. The request will go to database. Again, the request will come and change here as per your request. So to run this query, the dynamic application will run. But I'm not doing anything. It's a static website. Just now we have downloaded, right? Just now we have downloaded one static website, right? It is same for all, right? Are you going to change anything in that? No, that is static view. But here, whatever request I'm changing, the request is go to my application and giving input again to you. So this is the backend. HTML static website is working. I mean, HTML static content is working to view all per same. Based on your request, the output will change. Means dynamic. Based on your input, dynamic application is working. Is it clear? Guys, Ravi Kumar, one thing. You can use the file anytime. The cost will apply based on the time. Is it clear? You can upload file now also. You can upload file after 31 days also. You can upload file after 1 year also. I'm talking about tariff. If you use now, different tariff may apply. If you use after 30 days, different tariff may apply. If you use the same file after 1 year, different tariff may apply. Based on your selection of storage class. That's it. Access, there is no any interruptions to access. Always accessible. Price may different. That's it. When I say should wait 30 days, it doesn't mean the file is not downloaded. You can go and download the file. But after download the file after 180 days or 30 days, the price may apply different. If you download now, the price may apply different. That's it. Access point of view. Okay, clear? Yes, best option always. What's the lowest price? Go with Glacier Deep Archive, right? That's it. Okay. Okay, guys, we can wind up this session. So don't miss, once again, I'm saying even one class also. I have a proper planning to finish this syllabus mostly for this month. And Glacier I have discussed, right? See, Glacier storage, this one. Uma. Yes, I mean, yes, you mean lowest best option. Okay, guys. Are you clear? Still any doubts on S3? With these two classes, we are good to go interview for S3 interview. You will get only these questions. Don't expect any other questions. S3. These are fine. But tomorrow also we need to spend for other things also. I'm not going to take risk. Maybe the question will come from advanced life cycle management, something also. I will cover tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Anyone has any doubts? Online team? Guys, if you finish services in 20 days, after I'm going to spend time on, as I said, Terraform for 3 days. And not Terraform is just for only high level. Huh? Don't expect in that deeper level. Just what is the approach? I'm going to show all approaches. Python Boto 3 approach. Just understand the approach only. I'm not asking you to go inside. If you know